Welcome to Tavina Fabs. Today we're going to be doing a toy review of Ushi's. This is a shout out for Randolph Schuster. The part one we did another one and then we uploaded it and then it didn't do any sound. So this is why we're doing it on camera. So yeah. We're gonna do another toy review, but with more toys. Let's get into it.
First, the teleport.
Not teleporter. This is a coin.
First, the coin.
He's talking about a ugly coin.
Next one,
First, we got
the mesh.
It's called a mech.
Mech. It has pretty cool art.
It's mine. I'm doing it. It has pretty cool flexible. He has
cool articulations.
He has like a really good what do you call it? Flexibility.
Articulation.
And Joseph made it by himself tonight, and yeah, that's smart. And from my one, I have Miles, or Peter Parker, whatever you call this. It's from a Lego. It's from Lego. Yeah, it's good. It's like that.
And the ones from my one are it might be heaps.
I gave him because we traded for. I have 12.
This one.
He has duplicates.
These are his brothers.
Oh, the mech has failed. At this point, we might as well just do
like a battle.
No, we might as well just do like a breaking of this because it breaks. Okay, from my one, I'll do Buzz Lightyear. I'm talking about I forgot what this guy's name. What's his name again? What's his name again?
I need to ask him something.
What's this guy's name again? If you guys know what this is, put it down in the comments because I forgot his name. Okay, and second we have Maui from Moana.
No, it's much annoying.
And now we have Buzz Lightyear and another Buzz Lightyear. And we also have Captain America.
That was mine.
Mr. Glow. Mrs. Glow. And then we have his name is Hulk. And I think this is Black Widow. If you guys know what it is, put it down in the comments.
Widow. That's a girl. Black Widow's a boy.
Another Buzz Lightyear. Iron Man. If you guys know what this is called, put it down in the comments.
We just call it Ugly Man because it's ugly.
We need to know. And then Thor. That's it. And then he has what do you call this? Wait, I forgot. What's this called? Oh, Woody. Yeah, Woody. Oh, what the heck? Where's Spider-Man? Okay, anyways. This is a shout out to Woolies and this Kmart and Randolph Schuster of a channel. Just shout out to them, and you guys might recognize me in one of the videos of my little sister. Yeah, cause that's my little sister's account, and yeah, bye.